Larry, this is a great question. This is something that I went through the last 5 6 years on my business actually, and huge lesson for me. So what I used to do was I had this concept of like an octopus style income. Like I was doing so many different things and trying to bring all these revenue streams in, multiple streams of income, right? What I learned was that it was better for me to focus on one thing. Um, Now there's a trick. You there's a way you can have multiple things if there's crossroads, and which I'll talk about. So what I've learned is you got to focus on one thing at a time, and actually it's way more effective. So by me focusing on one thing, I'm gonna give you a specific example. So not only do I am I writing books, I also have Airbnb. I had two or three other businesses, right? There's no way I could keep up with all that stuff. I have a whole nother channel that has more viewers than this one, that has more subscribers than this one. I had to quit it because I don't have enough time in the day to do all this stuff. So I focused on what I did was I just wrote everything down. Like Will said, I wrote everything down. And I said, okay, what are the things that I'm doing? What am I doing? And then out of all that list, I said, what has the most impact on my life? What has the most impact in the next year on my life and my family's life? And it came down to this channel right here. This, what I'm doing right here, this, which promotes my books. My books do better than anything else I do. So right there, it was clear in the data. The data told me which way to go. And so I start focusing on one thing, which is this channel right here. You got to focus on one thing at a time. Now, that said, what you can do is if you want to learn AI, you can use AI to focus on, say, Security Plus. Like I'm telling you, focus on Security Plus, get it done, right? You said on this channel, you made a deal with all of us that you are going to get this done by the end of the year. I'm going to hold you to it. So that said, get it done. What you can do is use AI to help you. Now, while you're using AI, you're going to be learning it. So that's one thing you can do. Don't get shiny object syndrome where you're doing too many things at once. What you could do is like have a milestone. Say, okay, my milestone is Security Plus done. Once I get that certification, okay, now I'll move on to AI or whatever, and then have another milestone. Maybe put it a year out or something like that. The concepts came from, I mean, just life in general. Like I just failed at all these other things. Not failed, but they just didn't hit where I wanted them to hit. And by me focusing on one thing and mastering this one thing, it actually opened up other things for me. It's crazy, but if you focus on one thing, you master that thing, hit a milestone, then you can move on to something else, and then other doors open up. So that would be my advice to you. It's, focus on one thing, get it done, and that Security Plus for you, man, is important. It's going to open up some doors. It's an effective certification. I don't know what other influencers are saying out there about it, but it's one of the most impactful. When I was starting off, it was one of the most impactful certifications that I did. And so you should definitely focus on that.